How to create college newsletter on Microsoft Word. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create college newsletter easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Microsoft Word. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. All what you have to do is go to the top right here and click on this education option. Click on it like this and it will take you to this page. Now right here you will find many templates. Search for the college newsletter and here is it. If you didn't find it, just go to the top here and click on the search bar and search for college newsletter. Click on it like this and click create. Now after you click create, you will find this, and now you can edit anything you want. For example, how to media. As you can see, it's very easy to use, trust me. Just by clicking on the text you will be able to change it. I actually love this template. It's very professional. And after you finish, just go to the top corner and click save. It's very easy to use, trust me. Just try and I'm sure you will succeed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end.